नमस्कार साथियों, एनजी एजुकेशन यूट्यूब चैनल पर आपका स्वागत है। साथियों, आज हम लेकर आए हैं द बस बाय अरुण कोलातकर। इस टॉपिक के हम कुछ एमसीक्यूज देखने वाले हैं। तो आइए देखते हैं आज का पहला प्रश्न। अरुण कोलातकर वाज बोर्न इन कोल्हापुर। In which year who Arun Kolatkar born? 1932. Kolatkar passed away from stomach cancer. Which of the following professions did Kolatkar not associate with? Politician. Kolatkar's lifestyle is best described as bohemian. Arun Kolatkar was a bilingual poet who wrote in English and Marathi. Kolatkar is considered one of India's most influential modernist poets. Which of the following is not a characteristic of Kolatkar poetry? Formal, rigid structure. Kolatkar poetry is known for transforming the ordinary into the extraordinary. Kolatkar magnum opus is Khandoba. Jejuri is a book-length poem about a visit to a temple town dedicated to the god Khandoba. Jejuri won with major literary prize in 1997 Commonwealth Poetry Prize. How many poems are in the sequence Jejuri? 31. The protagonist of Jejuri is named Manohar. The co-traveler who accompanies of protagonist in Jejuri is Makarand. Which of the following is a major theme of Jejuri? Religious, hypocritic and Brahminical power. Salman Rushdie referred to Jejuri as a modern classic. The overall style of Jejuri is best described as fragmented and conversational. The protagonist's attitude in Jejuri is that of a skeptical traveler or tourist. The bus is the poem in the Jejuri sequence, first or opening. The setting of the poem "The Bus" is a state transport bus at night. The bus in the poem is traveling टू जेजुरी। The poem is written in free verse. The narrative voice of the poem addresses the reader in the second person. The central theme of the bus is the journey and the moment of arrival. Kolatkar's primary technique in the bus is that of an imagist. Which literary device is used to the line "A cold wind keeps whipping and slapping a corner of tarpaulin"? Personification. The technique where a sentence or thought runs over from one line to the next without a pause is called enjambment. The entire poem is structured on a series of contrasts and juxtapositions. The poem's lack of clear resolution contributes to its ambiguity. The divided face is a powerful example of imagery. The bus itself is a symbol of a microcosm of India. The tarpaulin flaps buttoned down on the windows symbolize barrier to clear vision and progress. The old man glasses primarily act as a symbol of a barrier reflecting fractured identity. The old man caste mark is a symbol of traditional belonging and orthodoxy. The speaker refusal to step inside the old man head at the end symbolize to choose not to intelligence the old man worldview. The shade of sunbeam that come to rest on the driver temple symbolized a shift in perspective and a glimpse of enlightenment. The roaring road is an image that enhances the sense of the reality and chaos of the journey. The tarpaulin flaps are buttoned down the windows. This opening establishes a mood of confinement and discomfort. You search for the sign of daybreak. What does the daybreak symbolize? Hope and anticipation. थैंक यू साथियों, बने रहिए हमारे चैनल के साथ। वीडियो को लाइक करें, कमेंट करें और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा साथियों के साथ शेयर करें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करके बेल आइकन ज़रूर दबाएं। थैंक यू।